a lot of room here.
Oh yeah. We've actually cut the strut towers and everything from factory. They used to come down here at an angle, and then we smoothed everything. We've got about 60 hours in the firewall and smoothing it and everything and painting it.
A lot of fabrication to get this to fit?
Not really. I just wanted to.
Yep.
We actually cut the firewall and kept the factory firewall, and we moved it back 3.5 inches, and you can hardly tell because we kept it kind of factory because I wanted to be able to get to all the bolts and keep the coil packs back there and everything. So it just wanted to make it easy to work on. So
heck yeah, it's so cool.
So just little things, and since it's got a Buick, we call it the Bustang, so we had the lettering.
The Bust? Oh, I got
the lettering made like instead of Mustang on the side.
Bustang. Do you have like an Instagram or something, or Facebook or something?
Nope. So,
all right.
Yeah, it's got the normal 8.8 Ford rear end in it or anything. So it's there. We've got it all tied. Then we handmade the wing and everything. A friend of mine owns the shop. I work for it now and everything. So we have a modern muscle car factory, and we finished it all up and everything. So, we handmade the wing and then had the. Because this is the factory hatchback, and then we took quarter round steel and everything, made this, and then made the license plate. I didn't want to drill any holes in it, in the license plate, so when you're driving down the road, you just drive and there's no hole in your bumper and everything, and then when you go to the track, you flip that down, there's your on-off switch, so you're legal. So
that's so cool. This thing's legit.
Yep.
Didn't know what I was coming up to here.
So we have fun with it.
Is that you right here?
It's my buddy, good friend of mine that we've worked together and everything, and we've done cars and everything. But him and I have been friends for about 24 years and everything. So he's got another car that we've been 798 with, and he does drag week with it.
Did not expect that at all. You never know till you ask. Yeah, I saw a couple pipes and a turbo and figured it was a turbo V8. I figured the only question was, is there an LS or a Ford?
Yeah, that's usually what's in them and stuff, and nobody really sees the Buick motor in a Ford, so
All right, do you know how many other ones?
Not a whole lot. There might be a few, but they're definitely not as clean in what we spent time-wise trying to get this in and make it look clear and nice and not like it was just thrown in there. So that's
heck yeah. Looks really nice under here too.
Thank you.
Yeah, I've got a YouTube channel, so I'll put it up on that.
Okay. Yeah, that's
just even this thing. You can kind of see the.
Yeah, when did we paint the car? What did we figure out? 12 years ago? 12, 13 years ago, the paint was done in on it.
Really?
So.
So you got the turbo 3rd gen?
Yep.
All right.
Motor's been at least 2 cars.